Hello, welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, Director of Relationship for Windy City. Today's topic is going to be, when do you intervene and when do you let your team handle a situation? First answer is there's not one pat answer for everybody. It all depends on the situation. One of the things you can do as a facility manager, if you have a team and they are struggling, is kind of evaluate. How are they doing? Does it look like they got a handle on it? If they do, odds are, don't intervene. Maybe say, hey, listen, if you run into a problem, I'm here to help, and you offer support, and that's all you do. Maybe there's other situations where you look at the person and you're listening or evaluating them on what they're doing, and you can tell they're not having a very good experience. It's not going well. And then you have to decide, of the team, which you should know all your team members, are they going to ask me for help or do they want me to intervene? And so the easiest way is they're going to ask for help. Do you need some help? I do. What would you like me to do? And give them options. Let them tell you. That doesn't mean necessarily go in there and take over the call or take over the situation and handle it. What do you want me to do? How can I help you? And let them tell you. And then offer suggestions. Would you like me to contact the customer? Would you like to do a conference call with you and I and the customer together so you can explain and I will help you? Do you want me to just take it and do it? If you do, I'll be glad to, but I want you to come in my office as I go through the process and what I'm doing so that you can learn, so that the next time you will be able to handle this. And I will help give you the tools and teach as we go along. Read your people, figure out what to do, and then offer suggestions of different kinds of things that I can do. Would you like me to be behind the scenes so you don't lose any face with the customer? But would you like me to gather information or help provide you with some notes or anything like that that you need to say? They'd love for you to intervene, but they don't want to lose face with the customer. So offer to go behind the scenes, whatever you need to do. But evaluate your people, figure it out, and then ask the question, would you like me to help you? If the answer to that is yes, how would you like me to help you? Do you want me to take a part of this for you? Would you like me to take it and handle it? Would you like me to provide you some behind the scenes note and let you handle it? Depends on the person, and it depends on their personality of what they want to do. Any way you go, be very supportive. Even if you take the project over for them to get it handled, make sure they know what you did, make sure they're a part of that process, and then talk to them about it. Say, hey, there was a point in my career I would have struggled with that too. But I've done it a lot, and over time I got better at it, and that's why I'm able to help in this particular situation. But I had the very same issue that you ran in today, and it just took experience and trying over times working through it to get there. Or I've known this person that you happen to be struggling with for a long time. Let me help you. And I'll just help you because I think I'll be able to possibly calm them down, and then you'll be able to finish out the situation as we go. Doesn't matter how, doesn't matter the why. If your team needs you, you decide. But don't just jump in. That's never good. Ask. Do they need your help? Do they want your help? Judge on their reactions, you'll know. And then offer different points of suggestion. The worst thing you can do is just come in and take it over. Don't do that. It hurts your team member. But offer, what can I do? And then deliver that for them. It's a tough situation. Key issue is knowing your team and kind of reading them so that you kind of understand what they may not be saying it, but what do they really want? And then offer any help that you can to them so that they're better the next time. That's my episode for today. Thank you for listening. Look forward to having you on another FM Corner. And if you have any comments or anything we can do better, please let us know. Thank you.